Part 3 of the creature. Dave, what's going on? Finally getting another update to this thing. I want to get it done, but here's how it's looking. Got the right hand claw of the creature done. Hot glue, some corpsing, painting. Got those nails there from the Dollar Tree. They came red, but paint them with brown and yellow. Give it some claws. I think I'm gonna have it like this. I don't know. It's a little heavier than I thought, but it looks the way I want it. Lighting's not so good right here. Sorry about the backlight. But there's the claws. Glued those on with an E6000 glue. Still some touch-up paint to hide that. But probably gonna corpse around the wrist there, so you don't see that. But that's that. Finish the front to hide the PVC neck. Some burlap that I've used on numerous Halloween props in the last 3 years or so. Recommend burlap. You can use it for anything. And of course, on top of the burlap, after I spray painted it, got some creepy cloth, some dry brushing, and then finally got around to using the veneers. As you can see, made him look like he had some nasty looking teeth. I'll put one up here. Looks like a fang there. Why this isn't focusing? There we go. Some more teeth. Those veneers, like I said, I got super cheap off of Wish.com, and did some touch up on him. Like I said, added the yellow highlights that people recommended, so thank you. That did make the green pop. And put some more shellac over his eye there, make it look like it's oozing, and his eye and his nose, things like that. Just small details. And then still working on this hand. As you can see, this method, I didn't want it to be so heavy, so I used one of those foam noodle boards from the Dollar Tree. Traced my hand, and of course extended the fingers. Hand's not that big. And used foil, as you can see, and process of hot gluing it. And this one's probably twice as less as that one, because I used the plastic skeleton I got from the Dollar Tree, and then put hot glue on top of that, and it's a lot heavier. This one will be a lot lighter, so I'll be able to hang, bend the arm, because this posable skeleton leg that I'm using for the arm here has a hard time holding this up. I think the wind will eventually keep making it fall down, but that's something I can play with. So this one with a noodle board, hot glue, and I'll corpse and paint that one. I'm about halfway finished with that. So that's that. And that's updates on the creature so far. And here's the finished product of the creature. Finally got it done. Sorry for the wind and the mic. It's a bit breezy here today. But here's the finished creature. Got all of his arms and hands done. And if the wind wasn't blowing, it wouldn't mess up the gown, but it would look a little more fuller. May have to do something about that come Halloween time, but you get the idea here. So the creature's finished. After this quick video, I'll put a time lapse together of the photos so you can see from start to the ending of what it looks like for the creature to come alive. Last thing I want to talk about is his hand. I finished the last one. This was made with that pull foam board from the Dollar Tree. This hand's a little bigger, but as you can tell, it's not as heavy. So it works out good. It kind of stands there like that. yeah, I could pose it like that as well. And I corpsed, using basic corpsing technique around the wrist too to keep it more secure. So we'll see if that holds up, but that's that. So let me know what you think. Questions, comments. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't. See ya.